Hey guys, it's me Veronica and long time no see, but today I think I'm gonna do a video on my updated sheet mask collection. Ever since we've gone into lockdown and quarantine, I haven't been able to get anything basically. South Korea shipments are basically at a zero right now, so my skincare routine is kind of screwed up, but the only thing that's getting my skin like really through this quarantine is sheet masks. Lots and lots of sheet masks. I hoarded and stocked up for like basically the skin apocalypse before this pandemic even happened, so I think I was like pretty prepared, like kind of over prepared. I have too many sheet masks compared to the last time I made a video on my sheet mask collection. This is way worse. Way worse. But I thought I might just go through it with you guys and see which ones I need to use next, because I know a lot of them expire in the next few months or in the next upcoming year. But I do have like a bunch of boxes and I feel like I have over 100 sheet masks here. I haven't used all of them yet. Some boxes I haven't even opened, but this is sort of K-pop related. If you're not interested in K-beauty or skincare, you might want to check out some of my other stuff. But this one is sort of K-pop-y. Like there's some K-pop related sheet masks in here, but mostly it's just K-beauty. But yeah, where do I start? I'm gonna start from my bucket of sheet masks that I showed in my very first sheet mask collection. Okay, so here is a bunch. Oh my god. Should I start from the K-pop-y ones? I think I should start from the K-pop-y ones. I used my very last 17 The Sem aloe sheet mask when I went to see them at an ode in New Jersey, so I don't have that to show, and obviously I don't have G-Friend Celebon masks either, because that, I don't know when that's arriving, but I have BTS, because if y'all know me from my K-pop videos, I am an ABC, Army Buddy Carrot, and so obviously I need to try the sheet masks with their face on them. But I got the BTS, the Mediheal, but I got the BTS Mediheal, this one's the DNA Pro Atin Mask Special Edition. I know it came with tea tree, but I used up all the tea tree ones. I really like the Mediheal brand. Usually when I take Mediheal sheet masks, they're really good. High quality, but expensive. I only have one of these left in my container over here. Next one. Oh, I have a bunch of these. These ones. I originally had like almost 10 of these. These I got at BTS's Love Yourself, Speak Yourself tour in New Jersey. MetLife, I'm trying to remember, but these were freebies as long as you lined up in the Mediheal section. Like they were giving out away free masks if you like took a picture and followed them on Instagram and stuff. I got a bunch because I went both days and I did all the stuff, so yeah. And they were all one mask. This one is the Mediheal NMF Intensive Hydrating Mask. Like always, Mediheal is a really good brand. I never had a problem with them and they always make my skin feel like nice and hydrated and glowy and smooth. No adverse reactions. So I definitely would rate that on the higher end of my sheet mask scale, if that makes any sense. Okay, let's go back into the K-pop realm. This one is a freebie mask I got from Jolse back when they shipped, because now everything just doesn't ship or ships very slowly. This one is the Sem Global Eco Sheet Mask Onu edition. I didn't use this yet. I don't know why I didn't use this. I should. It's the Sem. It's basically the same brand 17 is promoting right now. I should use this. And also another freebie from Jolse. Makgeolli Brightening Mask Sheet from Holika. From the reviews I've heard online that this isn't the best for sensitive skin, but my skin is pretty normal, I would say. So I don't know. So this one, I originally had a variety pack of this, but it's the Mise Joyful Time Essence Mask in Aqua. I also had like the other Mise Joyful Essence masks in other flavors, but I already used up all of them except for this one, so I need to use this one. It's not bad, not bad. Some of them I don't really see an effect on my skin, but most of the time they're pretty decent. And then the other one, oh, these ones are My Beauty Diary, Inato, and Imperial Bird's Nest. These ones, I think these are Taiwanese brands and I got them off of eBay. They're going to expire this year, so I need to use them this week. A little goes a long way with these and I need to use them up, so these are gonna expire. Oh, and this one is the Yada Pibu Tinjong, what is it? Yada Soothing Mask Pack in Cactus? Yeah, it doesn't say. I think it's Cactus, but it just says Soothing Mask Pack. So this is the Yada. I bought this in a 10 pack. I bought this in a box. And usually I get my sheet masks from like Marshalls or Winners, that kind of like department store kind of thing, because like they don't know how to price Korean sheet masks. Usually I can get a really good deal at Marshalls or Winners, but with the lockdown, they're currently closed. I know they're gonna open up soon, so fingers crossed that I can get some good shit when they open. So anyways, Yada, I've tried 9 out of the 10 in the box. They're all the same, and I think they're like out of 5, maybe a 2.5. They're pretty average. You don't see like really great results, but it's not like bad either. And the last one in my container, not counting what I have over here, I have a lot, is the Dr. Althea Pore Control Charcoal Mask. Dr. Althea Cosmetics Pore Control Charcoal Mask. Charcoal masks. It's like a black mask. I don't know, I don't really like these. I got this in a pack of 5. It was clearance at Marshall's for like $5, so it's like $1 a mask. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of these. I feel like when I am done with these masks, it just leaves my skin really tacky and sticky for some reason. Lots of residue. I have to like clean it up with some toner after. It's not a mask you want to keep on your face after you're done. Like, you don't want to leave the essence on your skin for much, because it's uncomfortable, honestly. I wouldn't buy that again. But that's all in my container of sheet masks. So then we're gonna go on to boxes of sheet masks that I have hoarded for the past while. A lot. I have a lot. Okay, so I have 2 boxes of these ones. I have the Holika Pure Essence Mask Sheet in green tea and then in cucumber. Boxes of 10. I bought them at Marshall's clearance. This one was literally $10 Canadian. Usually, if you were to buy them online, they would run you about $20 a box, maybe. So I got them for half price because they don't know how to price these things. They probably thought these were expired, but bitch, I know how to read Hangul, at least in the expiration and manufacturing date. I know they're good for at least a couple more years. So yeah, these were a steal. I love them to pieces. They're really good for like calming and soothing skin in my experience. And yeah, when I have like film shoots or stuff, I use these because these are really good for like toning down the redness and the irritation and bumps and stuff. Highly recommend these, at least in these flavors, green tea and cucumber. These are like, I would say on par with the Mediheal ones. Really good. Then this one is the Hydrating My Orchard Squeeze Mask Coconut Super Aqua Ampoule from Frugia. I never heard of this brand, but then when I looked it up, it is like a sub-label, like a sub-brand under Welco's Qualinata, which I remembered from my very first sheet mask collection haul thing, that they were pretty decent. And I also got this at Marshall's. It does smell a lot like coconut, but the flavor is coconut, so what do you expect? Kind of smells like a Bath and Body Works, to be honest, but it does do a good job at hydrating. Slightly tacky afterwards. You gotta kind of like tone it down with some toner or like mist or something, but yeah, these are decent. And these come in a pack of 10. I bought this for $8 for a pack of 10. That's less than $1 per sheet mask. Like, freaking steal. And the other one that I also got was another Frugia sheet masks. This one is the Nutri Tightening Moisture Skin Barrier from Frugia, and it comes in a pack of 5. Yeah, and this is under the brand of Welco's Qualinata. I'm not sure if it's Qualinata, but I know it's Welco's. Maybe Qualinata is like another sub-brand of that brand. So this is what it looks like. It looks like a jar of pomegranate. Nutri Tightening Moisture Skin Barrier Pomegranate Moisturizing Mask. Wow, that's a mouthful. It's a thin mask. In my experience, it kind of feels like a grid on your face. It works, but it's slightly tacky, just like the other Frugia masks. So slightly below the Holika and Mediheal masks in my opinion. But I got this for a steal. I got this for $7 for a pack of 5, and these usually like retail for at least $15 a box. So I mean, Marshall's, y'all don't know how to price, and I love it. I've got these 2 boxes, identical boxes that were on clearance. These ones are the It's Skin Collagen Nutrition Mask Sheet Set. So I got these pretty cheap. These are a pack of 10 each, so I got 20 in total. Each box was $7. I would put it slightly below Mediheal, but above Frugia. They're fresh smelling, clean smelling, they hydrate, they're really good. I highly recommend, especially at this price point. I was like, I need all of their stock that they have at Marshall's, so I took everything that I could see. I love these. These are, highly recommend these. I saw clearance and I was like, I need it. Other Marshall's purchase. This is the Froyo Honey Essence Mask Sheet. I know that Froyo isn't common, at least online, but they sell these like brands mostly at like Winners and Marshalls. You don't often see them on like Korean cosmetic sites and stuff, so it's largely more westernized, that I think. But these are decent sheet masks. I know I've tried like Snail and Pearl, I think, from this brand, but it's a pack of 10, $7.99, so $8 for a pack of 10. That's less than $1 a mask. Honestly, a steal. This does smell very sweet, but as expected, it's honey. Obviously, it's gonna smell sweet. These aren't bad. They're worth a try, and the price is pretty decent, and they have lots of selection, so I recommend. Okay, so this one is the S&P, also known as the Shining Nature Purity. I never bothered to read the acronym before, but that's really weird. S&P Jelly Vita Firming Toning Mask in Vitamin A. Long ass name, but I got this box for $10. It expires in 2021, and there's 10 masks in here. Honestly, a steal. I know these boxes go usually for at least double the price. It's like $1 a mask. I don't recall if I've tried these yet. I think there's still like 10 in the box, so I still need to try these. I don't know if these are any good, but judging from the brand alone, it's probably going to be on Mediheal level. Like I love Mediheal and leaders. Speaking of leaders, I know I mentioned this in my very first sheet mask haul collection video, but my all-time favorite is like the blue Leaders Amino Skin whatever, and it's still true. I love these. I found these again at Marshall's for $10 for a 10-piece box, and it's the Leaders Mediu Amino Moisture Mask and Moisturizing Amino Acid, the blue ones. I love the blue ones, and I don't think I used any of these because these are like I would say one of my holy grail masks. They're like, they leave your skin so hydrated, so glowy, so smooth, and it's like a miracle worker. Such a miracle worker, and I'm so glad that I found these again at such a deal. Such a deal. Thank you, Marshalls. Like, you have a place in my heart for finding such good deals on sheet masks. But yeah, like this I highly, highly, highly recommend if the ingredients like agree with your skin, of course. This is one of my all-time favorite masks, and I'm so happy I managed to find another box. Next couple boxes, I know there's a lot of boxes. I have a lot of boxes. The next couple boxes of sheet masks I have in my collection I bought at my local Asian grocery store. They had a sale on sheet masks. There were at least 4 different flavors of these sheet masks that were on sale, but I'm not made of money. I know I had a lot of sheet masks already in my collection, so I was like, I need to kind of hold myself back, so I only got 2. These were on sale. It was like 2 for $20. Regular price of like $20. I got these half price off, and I know JM Solution, they usually go for more than $20 a box. I had to get some. This one is the JM Solution Active Pink Snail Brightening Mask. And then this one is the JM Solution Active Bird's Nest Moisture Mask. And yeah, as you can see, the sticker is still there. I haven't opened either of these, honestly. I'm really excited to use these, honestly, because I really like snail masks. Don't judge me. Snail masks for me are very regenerative, especially like when I have a breakout. It helps heal my skin. I know you're not really supposed to put stuff on your face when you have an open wound or infection or pimple or whatever, but I find putting pimple patches and like snail essences and snail products really helps speed up my skin's recovery and just make it glowy and nice. So I'm really looking forward to this one. And Bird's Nest, I feel like I've tried a Bird's Nest type of mask before. I think from my beauty diary, maybe? I don't know. But I feel like it's promising. The last few boxes I have were also from Marshall's, not from the grocery store. These ones I picked up because I just found them to be very kitschy, like very niche. They had a very kind of like certain vibe to them. These ones are the Superfood Salad for Skin in a variety of different salad packs. They come in like a salad container, basically, like, you know, those to-go containers that you find at like the salad section, like ready prepared meals. Yeah, so they all have different salads on them. They don't say like a solid name or a solid like variety flavor, but they do have 7 pieces each. Each box was like about $8, so that's about like $1 a mass. But it's really weird with these ones. These ones are variety packs, but they overlap. So this one has carrot, green tea, beet, olive, honey, broccoli, and mangosteen sheet masks. This one has coconut, tomato, carrot, beet, avocado, kale, and blueberry sheet masks. And this one has tomato, green tea, beet, olive, coconut, kale, and mangosteen sheet masks. There's at least 1 beet sheet mask in each of these. So I have like 3 beet sheet masks. Hopefully they work out well for me. But the good thing is that since these are a variety, I can really kind of pick and choose which flavors work best for my skin. But also the bad side is if I like a certain flavor, it's gonna be hard to kind of get more of that flavor because these aren't one single type of sheet mask. It's like multiple different types of sheet masks in one. But like, look at the containers. Just like the packaging is very cute. Like literally food. It's food. I know I've tried like a candy-based themed sheet mask before that was sent to me via PR, but these ones, healthy alternative, definitely. I wouldn't put candy on my face again. But yeah, those are all of my current sheet masks in my collection. They are holding me over in the skinpocalypse, and when Marshalls and Winners and HomeSense and all those places, TJ Maxx, when they open up again, I will be there eventually. I'm gonna wait it out a little bit, and then I'm gonna use all my safety precautions, masks, social distancing, hand sanitizer, hand washing, all that stuff, and then I'm gonna search the skincare and beauty aisle and hopefully find some gems. If you guys have an obsession with sheet masks, let me know down below. What's your favorite? Mine, I've already said. Have you used a sheet mask? Have you used any of your faves sheet masks? I've used BTS's, I've used 17's, I have yet to use G-Friends because it's just so hard to get. Why can't they like be endorsers of a better brand? Honestly. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, share, subscribe, comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Goodbye!